Yes, 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 yes. I don't want architect, deconstruct your set on some exec chef, also once primate. Humans now marmoset, gorilla down your cavalry, infantry. Those who would bring harm to me, empower me, and the tactics lack agility. Naturally steps ahead in this path, a millipede, disaster piece is scoped while my pen is on its killing spree. Scheming on some rapid eye movement type, Philistine in nature like turf box to hurt cops for Buddha mics. Who consumes lives and spikes the wise as he pockets tied so discreetly we immediately accept the lies. Coming out our own traps, they murder from the flats to cul-de-sacs. So I fashioned a birthing sack out of burlap, nestle within not 1 ounce of turn back or contemporary doubt of which I've lost count. We bomb at all caps to dwarf you. Super giants, black stars to pulsars and swarm through. New alliance, same cold wars. We still murking fools for less than the kicks that came blessed and stretching desperately. Measuring seeds to carry these histories. Some encourage the seedless fruit to kill the future root. Yeah, malnourished, they perish beneath the weight of my soliloquy. Chilling mean like your average ice king with an arctic heart to rip the common autumn thug, the diggy suit and call hard parts. Dismantling anger but save the schematic for reinstallation. Crippling in the nature of time script, we standing solid so far. Dense in sorrow nonetheless, and useless data mesh with status shifts for black kids. Invisible as rhythm split from tongue split with congas for gums. Peace, salam to some. Goon, GG, or the next native tongue. Perhaps not corresponding to any dialect your memory detects. Aimed assassinations at the prefect. Conflict for the droves who lack the patience for intellect. Mosh pits to those catching wrecked. Vintage maxilla sets the relevance, much unlike your register or text messages. Embedded in a sedative season with nanotech weaponry. As fate especially. Spitting red spectrum to blues melodies. And migrated through Hades to woo Persephone. And yet, no distance is too distant. We traveling time. Lost sight of my sight. Can be beside my square instead of on top of it. Occupied area, thought apocalypse. No distance is too distant. We traveling in time. That's all we've lost sight of my sight. I see inside the square, I know what it's gotten in. Occupied area, thought apocalyptic shit was just descriptive of the plight my psyche whipped up. We lifted up as vagabonds to bar to get your haggle on. With no amount of heart within the vest can stop the cold compress. Don't pose death when the oppressor contest. I confess I got my influence from my mom's reflection. See the answers in the mirror with high visible questions.